Hey guys, so this is gonna be my Fitbod app review. That's an app that I've been personally using for around more than a year now. To be honest, like on and off. It's not it's not was a straight year. Either way, that it is, in my opinion, one of the best. Not one. I mean, literally the best fitness app that I've ever used. I've tried many of them, but for some reason, like you use them and something is not right. You just ditch them. You uninstall them. This one, I kept this one, and I've been coming back as soon as I'm back in the gym. This is the app I'm using. So I thought I would share, my 2 cents of how to use it, what is it, and yeah. Okay, without much more fluff, let's just, let's see what it's all about. Okay, so let's get into the app. Here we go. It loads, and as you can see, this is the front screen once you open the app. And what it shows you here is your muscle recovery. So the redder the area, that means your muscle is basically tired, and you should kind of skip the day. Skip the day and don't work out that particular muscle. It has, the back muscles and front muscles. You can also like tap on the actual muscles to see, what type of exercise you've been doing, like and when, like, 2 days ago, how many sets. You can actually even go in and check the specifics. So, I mean, it's quite detailed. And to be honest, it's quite a nice graphic. It also shows you the days since your last workout. If you press, we'll get back to this one, but and then the fresh muscle groups. The good thing here is that you can actually edit. So if you press edit, you can edit the muscles if you're feeling like let's say you went to the gym and then you went hiking the next day, but hiking you don't really add it on your Fitbod, although you could. You can drag this around and kind of set the tone for when your muscle is tired. Anyway, so this is basically that's it. It just shows you which muscles to work out and what you skipped. The next thing, of course, the more important thing is the workout itself. So Fitbod uses as far as I know, is kind of AI technology that lets you that kind of calibrates the workout based on your settings. So if you go here, you can actually select everything yourself. So for example, the available equipment at your home, at your gym, it's very, very, very detailed. And once you select that, there's more options. You can, select body weight workouts only, your fitness goal, your strength training, bodybuilding, muscle tone, general fitness, powerlifting, Olympic lifting. It has everything. So whatever your goal is, you can definitely check that out. Then your fitness experience. It has so many settings that, come on, cardio recommendations, warm ups. We also have here excluded exercises. Let's say your particular gym does not have an exercise equipment, or you don't want to. Some particular exercises are not for you. You want to exclude them from calculations. Just press that. That's it. Once you do that, Fitbod automatically generates my next workout, what muscles to work out, how many sets, how many reps. Let's say back squat. For my next workout, I should go with 60 kilos bar plus plates, 8 reps. It has even the timer, 2-minute rest. So once you finish the set, you enter the details, and then Fitbod actually has this countdown time that lets you know when it's over and when it's time to to go for your next set. It has, of course, the instructional videos with all the gifs that actually how to do it, what equipment to use, and and the whole explanation with what muscles are working out. So if you want to dig in, it's very, very detailed. Of course, you can replace that exercise if you don't feel like it, or you can see your achievements over the time. So volume, project 1 rep max record, you have your volume, repetition, weight record, and then when as you can see, I should get back to doing squats. It's been a while, but yeah. So that's that. And then if you don't like what Fitbod generates, there's all you can press on new, and you can always select your own. You can generate a new workout for you. You can target individual muscle groups. So let's say I'm selecting, I want to do like back and lower back and nothing else. That's it. Select those, select save, boom, it generates you the workout. It's it's that quick. It's that easy. I mean, I'm surprised how this app works. It's crazy. And then of course you can pick the starting exercise. You can create your own. Like that's it. Add exercises, scroll through all of them, and yeah, dude, like do whatever works for you. What else we have here? It's also like splits. You can do like push pull, upper lower body workouts, resistance bands, dumbbells, body weights. And of course you can save your workouts. So for example, I have like my own like arms, shoulders, legs, abs and arms, back, and then chest. I usually kind of do my own. I don't. I used to work out before Fitbod, so I kind of have the program. Sometimes I use, their suggested workouts, but personally, like I would prefer to have my own thing set. Although I think I'm gonna try to get into them a bit more, just to see sort of how it goes. And then, of course, there's your logbook. It shows you for the past month how many minutes and which days you worked out. Then it shows days per week. You can select your workout goal. Every day, 6 days, one day. You select the days, send the reminders. I mean, it has everything you need basically. And then of course the streak, and then it shows you your past workout. So if you select this one, yeah, all the information. And what's best is you can actually go to achievements. You can track that, so you can see sort of how you've been working out, what's been like going on, and it's and then even then it actually asks you. Can you see that? I know how difficult was the 10 rep 20 kilogram, and then you can press ideal, or maybe it was too hard, it was a max effort, or it was like no challenge at all. And based on this information, it actually skip for now. It calculates your suggested weights. Yeah, and then of course there are some settings right here. If we press here, it says, oh, I should mention it's a paid subscription. So you can get like free workouts, free workouts. I'm just gonna drop the link in the description, so you can try it out if you want to. But basically, it's after that. I think it's like $5 per month. And I mean, if you're already paying for the gym or you're serious about working out, $5 a month for looking better is definitely fine. Of course, there's like information about you, like your age, gender, height, weight, all of that stuff. You can sync in with Apple Health. So it's very nice units of measure. You can export all the data in case you like, if you wish. But yeah, it also has a connection with Fitbit if you're using that, or if you're using Apple Watch, it has the app on there. So no worries. I suggest like downloading the all the gifts to your device, so you won't use mobile data once you're in the gym and you like, you want to try some new exercises. What else? Yeah, I guess it's pretty standard here. Oh, there's also one interesting thing. Fitbod has like its apparel, so now they're doing. You can actually like buy their clothes and stuff. They actually, I think, introduced that just recently, like a couple of months ago. So definitely check that out if if you're looking out for some new clothes or something like that. But let's go back. And one more thing, they have Fitbod Facebook group. I definitely suggest joining that if you're downloading Fitbod. There's like the whole community of people who like they share their success stories, their achievements. It's a pretty nice group, and it's one of the benefits of actually getting this app is also joining the community that is in there. So that's it. That's the whole review. There wasn't much to talk about, and I think the app is just a tool. You're going to the gym for one main reason, to actually work out. So the app should not be a distraction. It should help you out, and it should be as simple as possible, which I feel like Fitbod is. Like, once you actually set up the basic settings, and if you don't want to do anything else, it sends you reminders. It actually generates the whole workout for you. That's it. And even like the rest timer is generated for you. All you need to do is just input the data. It's simple, and I think that's why I like it. It doesn't like overload you. You can, there are advanced settings and stuff like that. You can do like everything custom, but it's just what it needs to be. Okay, sorry for rambling. That's it. I'm out. If you like this channel, if you like this video, well, channel, I think it's your first video, to be honest, that you're watching. Either way, consider subscribing and giving it a like. Yeah, sure. I'm watching YouTube right here, so give it a like. I'm gonna give a like to this video. You should to this one. Yes. I need to work out of my outros. Either way, that's it. I've been Ben, and I'm out.